Are you having issues where Arknights Endfield is not working on your PlayStation 5? If the game won't launch or keeps showing errors, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a couple of quick fixes that usually solve the problem. Step 1. Restore game licenses. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, then Other, then Restore Licenses. Select Arknights Endfield and click Restore. Wait a few seconds for the process to finish. Step 2. Change DNS settings. Go to Settings, then Network, then Settings, then Set up Internet connection. Select your Wi-Fi, press Options, then open Advanced Settings. Step 3. Set Manual DNS. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Set primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Confirm and wait for the connection to reestablish. Step 4. Restart and test. Close the settings, restart the game, and check if it's working.